Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about writing quadratic equations in standard form. The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, b, and c are the coefficients and a should not be equal to 0 because if a is equal to 0 then it will become a linear equation. Here are some examples of quadratic equations in standard form. For number 1, 6x squared minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. The coefficients are 6, negative 7, and 3. For number 2, negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. The coefficients are negative 3, 5, and negative 2. And for number 3, x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. The coefficients are 1, 0, and negative 4. To convert quadratic equations in standard form, we can do the following. We can rearrange or combine like terms. We can also do cross multiplication or find the least common denominator. For our first example, we have x plus 1 over 5 is equal to 3 over x. As you can see, there's only one fraction on the left side and one fraction on the right side. So we can do cross multiplication here. So x plus 1 times x is equal to 3 times 5. Now you can write it like this. X plus 1 times x is equal to 3 times 5. Now, we need to distribute x. So x times x is x squared, x times 1 is x, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now as you can see, 15 is on the right side of the equation. So we need to move it to the left side, and that's called transposition. Remember that when we transpose a term to the right side or to the left side of the equation, we change the sign of the term. And now for our next example, we have x over 3 minus 3 is equal to 5 over x. As you can see, there are two terms on the left side of the equation. One is a fraction and the other one is a whole number. So we cannot do cross multiplication here. Just by looking, what do you think is the LCD of 3, of 1, and x? 1 is the denominator of negative 3 because 1 is the denominator of all whole numbers. The LCD is 3x. We need to divide 3x by the denominators and multiply it to the numerators of each term. 3x divided by 3 is x times x is x squared. 3x divided by 1 is 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. And 3x divided by x is 3 times 5 is 15. 15 is on the right side of the equation, so we need to transpose it to the left side to get our standard form.